Hey Scott, Connor here with Haney Toyota. I spoke with you last night about checking out that TRD Tundra, so I just want to take a few minutes and give you a little bit of rundown of what we're going to have here. For the V8, we have that 5.7 liter V8, that wicked powerful one. It's also the fastest in the quarter mile, not only the strongest in its class. We'll have the daytime running lights built in as well with the fog lights. For the wheels, we will have those nice machine alloy TRD wheels, and then the mud flaps are going to be a standard feature as well. Come around to the back, those Bilstein shocks and absorbers, I know you know what those are all about. Those are right there. And this is going to have that TRD dual exhaust that sounds extremely beautiful. Not to mention we will have the trailer hitch, backup cam, and all the wiring all built right in. We'll have 4 tie-down cleats as well for the bed of the truck. And then with the double cab, obviously you can see here these seats do fold up. We have all that extra space underneath with the cargo boxes. So we're going to do the best we can working up a price for that Chevy. If you could just swing in anytime, that'd be great. We can put a better price on it seeing it in person. So if you need anything, give me a call here, 802-528-2252. Or like I said, swing in whenever you get the chance. Thanks, Scott.